Don't call people kafir. Don't make destruction among Muslims. All Muslims are brothers. We have a two kind of brotherhood mentioned in the Quran. Dalawang klaseng brotherhood sa Quran. Kapatiran. Fraternity. One is generally all the human beings are brothers and sisters in humanity. Dahil sabi ng Allah sa Quran, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa untha wa ja'alnakum syu'uban wa qabaila lita'arifu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. O mankind, we created all of you from one male and one female, Adam and Eve, and made you into nations and tribes so you can recognize each other, not for the superiority. The people in Philippines or people in Pakistan or people in India, people in China, people in America, people in Middle East, all people are equal because we all are brothers and sisters in humanity. Islam is not saying that because of your nation you are allowed to kill other nation. No, this is not the law of God. The law of God that you're all brothers and sisters. Don't kill your brothers and sisters. That is the number one general rule in the Quran. Lahat ng tao, ano sabi ng Allah, o yung mga tao, lahat kayo na likha, galing sa isang lalaki, galing sa isang babae. So ano yung lahat ng tao? Magkapatid. Philippine, taga-Amerika, taga-China, taga-Iran, taga-Pakistan, taga-India. Lahat ng tao sa mundo, magkapatid. Dahil lahat, isang tatay, isang nanay. That is the one brotherhood mentioned in the Quran. That's why in Islam there is no thing that nationalism, you can kill other nation because of your nation. No, that's wrong. You cannot kill other nation because of your nation. Because other nations are human beings and your nation are human beings. Yung bansa ninyo, yung tao, yung ibang bansa tao din. Bakit kailangan na isang bansa papatay na isang bansa? Dahil ito bansa at yung isang bansa, parehos tao. Hindi kailangan na tao papatay sa ibang tao. Kahit hayop, hindi gagawin yan na isang klaseng hayop na aso papatay ng ibang aso. Wala na ganun. So that is a Constitution of America. America can throw the atom bomb on any country because of the national security. Constitution of America. America can bomb atom bomb to any country in the world for their national interest, for their national security. Subhanallah. So America has a constitution. They can bomb any country in the world because of their national security. That's unfair. It's injustice. Because all the most of the people will be killed with atom bomb are innocent people.